life. Me, I tell you, Rika, I want to look a waste boy that.
Jaja.
And dep on life, I go on like him tough. Me tougher than 50% time.
If I have the energy there and talk about the whole thing. Bill, no man.
Rika, tell this, Rika. Rika, tell me something now. Stop right there, so don't make your phone crack. Stop right there, so the internet good.
All right.
If you know you meet and you meet him in a wheelchair,
you're
there on one train right now. Your friend company train in a one wheelchair. And you get up and give me blood clot train. You see it in a train.
Yeah.
Big argument go on. You see him run out time blood clot here and start run. Remember my cripple when you meet him, you know? Or you would feel as a friend where you take care of him for 5 blood clot here. If you see your friend get up and run out and no blood clot here. How much time he could have get up and run to you because you have problem, but he never choose to get up and run. But no problem go on where him can get hurt or something can go on with him get up and run. How you would feel?
Me da feel fuck up. Me da feel fuck up. Me da feel away. I just the truth what God love. Me da feel away. I'm a honest come from.
I just the truth what God love, Rika, because if me there, Rika, I do so many things, bro. Never disrespect somebody where I make you happy, dog. Can't do it. Yep, the Rika, the boy, them a pussy.
Let's say for just eliminate your circle in a bro G and just do your thing. And just still, yeah, but not make nobody know where you live. If it's a handful of people know where you live, your new address, just keep it like that. Keep it as is.
Even there.
What you say? We can't hear you.
Even there.
And even there. Alright. Oh, go and go do your thing, my day out. Me and you gonna talk after this gram thing. I love you and just, you understand? Watch your bumper blood clot circle. I tell you, watch it. Watch it. You understand? Just watch it. That's all me I ask you for do. Just watch it. Huh? Alright, later.
Right. Yo. I know say you say a circle small thing, I don't believe in it. I don't believe in a circle small thing. I believe in a clean out and loyalty and respect. I can't do run 100 dog, I feel no type of way because I respect. I don't care if I the last. One day I'm going to weigh my rank up. I rank do this, I don't know about rank, I don't know about things. I try to tell you no dog. Original gringo. I can't link original gringo because I know I'm link him out there. I say, well, you live in a rank and respect. And real talk Gaza Prince. British big up to themselves. I respect. I don't feel like circle. You know? Respect do it. True. No, but let me see my problem still. Let me see my problem. You know, when my mother used to say, you now grow up young, you have to curve a tree from a little. Wake up, you have to wake up and all. You can't lean, drop. You know? You drop on one tire. That's the first problem you're going to start doing about. Your one of your car tire drop. So you drop out by your black of your car, the body drop off. Boom, wake up. And if you come out, you can't shoot me for your property. You can't shoot me in my back. And I see you pull a gun, I'm going to shoot you before. I fear for my life. No, it's a little no. I love him. Love Lelo. You see me? Love you, dog.